Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This is Tanvir Ahmed, developer of Tanvir Trade Copier. Here I am ready to guide you about proper uses of Tanvir Trade Copier. In the previous video I showed you server number management for multiple slave accounts. In this video I want to show you symbol selection on the chart for your copy trading. Let's begin. Here this account is our first master account and this account is our slave account. In this slave account, we are seeing that symbol selection is in multi-mode. When we shall use copier for currency type symbol like Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD CAD, USD RUB, then we should use symbol selection in multi-mode. Also, we can use metal symbols in multi-mode like XJUSD, that means gold, and XJGUSD, that means silver. In multi-mode, we can be able to copy orders of multiple symbols from one chart. If you want to use symbol selection in multi-mode, then make sure that symbol selection in master account is also in multi-mode. If symbol selection in master account is in single mode, then slave account cannot be able to copy that symbol orders from master account. So we must have to keep symbol selection of master account in multi-mode. Now in slave account, decide which symbols you will allow to copy from master account and which symbols not. Let's say we don't want to copy USD CHF, Euro NZD and AUD JPY orders from master account. Click to disable them. See, these three symbol buttons color have been changed from gold to grey. That means these three symbols are now disabled and copier will not copy orders from master account. Now let us check order copying from master to slave. So we have to open few orders in master account. EURUSD 0.40 lot buy is opened. XJUSD 0.50 lot sale is opened. USD CHF 0.60 lot buy is opened. Euro NZD 0.70 lot buy is opened. AUD JPY 0.80 lot buy is opened. And see, in this slave account only 2 out of 5 orders are copied. EURUSD and XJUSD orders are copied from master successfully. But USD CHF, Euro NZD and AUD JPY orders are not copied because these symbols are disabled here. Now I am enabling USD CHF symbols and say USD CHF order is now opened and rest 2 disabled symbol orders are still not copied. Now I want to remove few symbols from chart. Open inputs section and remove from here. See, which symbols I removed from inputs section, those are removed also from chart. Now I want to add few symbols on the chart. Open inputs section again and add your desired symbols here. And see, symbols are added here nicely. After adding symbols, Here you need to enable them to copy these symbols orders from master. Now I want to show you symbol selection in single mode. When we shall use copier for non-currency type symbol like stocks, indices, synthetics, etc., then we should use symbol selection in single mode. In single mode, we can be able to copy only chart symbol orders. If you want to use symbol selection in single mode, then make sure that symbol selection in master account is also in single mode and copier is inserted in same chart for both master and slave. In this process, when we need to copy orders from any non-currency symbol, then we have to set copier in that chart for both master and slave. Now, I want to send orders from this master account to this slave account to be copied. And this master and slave both accounts are from Deriv.com and symbols type are synthetics. As these account symbols are non-currency, so we have to set copier with symbol selection in single mode. Also, we know already that every new setup in master account we need unique server number every time. Server number 221 is already running in this master account. So let us set server number 222 in this chart. Server number 223 in this chart. And server number 224 in this chart. And it's time to connect this slave account with this second master account. We set server number 222 in volatility index 10 chart in master. So we have to set server number 2 in volatility index 10 with master account number. We set server number 223 in volatility index 25 chart in master. So we have to set server number 223 in volatility index 25 with master account number. We set server number 224 in volatility index 50 chart in master. So we have to set server number 224 in volatility index 50 with master account number. And copier setting on chart is completed for both master and slave, and it's time to check order copying. Orders are now opened in master account from 3 different symbols, and see, slave account copied those orders successfully. And dear viewers, in this video that's all for symbol selection. See you again. Thank you for watching this video.